They're gonna do this once. It's gonna be loud. Here we go.
Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest and South Central Georgia.
Why are you on tone?
Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time.
Shut up.
When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-blizzard day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary.
Get down next to the 996.
To provide the most
Get there now.
warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama, Southwest and South Central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm and Emergency Alert System for the entire county warning area service by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time conditions. At the Tallahassee Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 52 degrees. The wind was north at 14 miles an hour.
Okay. So let's do an analysis. So the 996 went off. 1630 went off. Version 2 went off. 74200 went off. Of course, the WX500 went off. It always goes off. This didn't go off. I don't wonder why. That explains it. 251.
The temperature
Sure went off. White EIR10 went off. Black EIR10 didn't. Did the backlight die? No. This is low.
The temperature.
Hold on. Okay. 521 went off. 249 went off. 67 went off. Whatever. 167 went off. First V5 went off. The V4 went off. And 2004 261 didn't go off sadly. If we go over here, the 258 went off. The 260 went off. The 1650 went off. I tested the W10 because it didn't go off. And the W120 went off. This didn't go off. And I believe the Cobra went off. Oh, it did. That concludes the test. We